or I'm out here with the Z guys. Just took the fenders apart. My bad. Runny nose. Fenders apart on both sides. Fender liner only for this side. This side it got snatched off, I'm assuming. But fenders are right here. This one had this dent in it, which you can see, and then this one the tire popped and everything else. Pretty dented, pretty bad. Mainly bought new ones because of the mounts. Well, this side the mounts are good, but this bracket is gone. This side the mounts are bad in the inside. So I also bought new headlights. Some Spec D tuning headlights. Instead of but let's see if I can open it. Come on, Z. I bought them, and turns out I bought the wrong ones. Well, I really didn't buy the wrong ones. Somebody swapped out the headlights before. They also did their own wiring, which I have no idea what this goes to. But that's a 6-pin, and these headlights are, that's an 8-pin, and the headlight harness, here it goes right here. Took it off. Is a 6-pin, but I have a focusing on my fingers, but yeah, you can see it. I have a kit from Amazon coming. It's an adapter that goes 8-pin to 6-pin. I should be able to keep all the functions, but I have Spec D tuning headlights, black housing with the LEDs around, daytime running lights. Also has the other high beam. But yeah, I'm not a fan of chrome or white housings or clear lenses. I like the lenses faded. Not faded, but darkened, blacked out. But yeah, this side's good. This side's good. This side's bent and smashed up right here, but the headlight is still able to fit in there just fine. So I might just see if I can bend it out after I put the headlight in there, because this is bent right here. But I gotta also see if I can source out that wire that looks like it leads to somewhere. But this one doesn't have it. This side has this wire though. I don't know what it's for. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll show you the progress. Alright guys, here we got the first fender on. Line it up pretty well. I did chip it a little bit, the door a little bit, because trial and error, but they line up perfectly. Top lines up pretty even. Door line all the way across, besides right here, but I'm not on mine at all. And then at the bottom, I couldn't get this bottom one in. There's 2 screws on here that go 1, 2. I couldn't get this one in because the bolt in the inside strip. Waiting on my headlight thing. It's probably Amazon right there with them. Yes, sir. Oh, yep, I was right. It's my extension. See, I have a 3-way right here, and then the female adapter is for the 8-way, because the headlights I got are 8, and they actually do match up. This goes here, slips in perfectly fine. I'm not gonna slip in it right now until I get the headlights on. Fenders line up just fine. There you go, guys. I can't really show you how to take it apart because night truck started up in the background, but there's a bolt here. It's out the door jamb. You don't really need to remove anything to get there. Down here in your side skirt, these are 2 bolts I'm talking about. 1, 2. These are where these tie in at, but you see this side skirt's out of there. We'll get some new ones. 2 bolts go there, there. 1, 2, 3. Then you have 1 here. Our grommet goes there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. These 2, and then that's it. The headlight connects to here. Yeah, you see this is bent. Headlight connects to this bolt right here. There is a bolt right here it connects to. Bolt here, and then the bolt there. That's what the headlight connects to. Don't really need anything else. I got the fit me good on that side too. This side, I do have a fender liner for this one. No fender liner for that one. So for the time being, I'd rather just have both of them off than rock one. I'm not really worried. Maybe because my Canon intake is loose, but it pops inside of there. I'm not really worried about that much debris getting in there. I've been driving it like that for a while. Nothing's wrong, but I'm gonna get the cold air, cheap cold air system. Probably have the one that either funnels to here in the front with the cone in the front, or have just the air box that funnels into right there. My bad, I didn't even show you now. Camera was sideways. Fitment's still good. Dart's dying. Never gonna worry about that. Get this driving. So this is good. Here's the interior. Already shown you multiple times. It's pretty clean in here. Seats worn out, typical wear and tear on a Nissan. That's broke. That's broke. All the rest panels are good. Stereo system's trash. Yeah, pretty good. So I got my headlights too. I'm gonna hook those up right after I put these on. Alright, here you go, guys. I got this pretty straight. Does have a deep bend right here, but it's kind of good because it clears. I forgot where it hits. I think it hits right here. Got my headlights in. Well, have them just set on right now. I need bulbs for the main running lights, but I don't know if it's me or what, but don't know if it's, I definitely know it's not supposed to do this. Let's see. Oh, I got thumbs facing down, but you can see it on this one. But these are Spec D, and the daytime running lights, the LEDs, somehow are the hazards. I'm really unsure. Can I zoom out? Yeah, I can zoom out. You see it? You can see it from like this. Yeah, I don't know why that is. See, the hazards are on. Nothing else is powered on in the car. Pretty weird, pretty weird, pretty weird. Alright guys, record this while train's going by, but got both of them mounted in now. I just don't have, I don't know, this just didn't line up, but got this one right here, and this top bolt right here lined up. Same thing on this one, top bolt lined up. Able to get that one, was not able to get this one, but was able to get the fender one. So it's like each of them have a different bolt that's missing, but it's sturdy. Both of them are sturdy. They both line up good. Fenders line up good, so I'm gonna go down. These are all loose. Tighten the rest of everything. I'll have the engine bay covers, put everything back together, and go get my bumper from the backyard. See if I'm able to do that, because this is bent, and I found out there's supposed to be a little bracket that swings from here, that swings out, that connects the bumper and the bottom of the light, but I think it came off whenever this tire exploded, so we'll find out. Might as well do this satisfying peel for y'all. I might get these either another surface of clear coat, or go get them clear bra wrap, just so they don't fade that much over time. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Alright guys, here goes a little update for the Dart. Z's right there, the Dart. So I was having a very bad air leak right here. I called airtekk, checked all the lines, checked the whole line running there, checked the lines in the trunk, everything. I'm also having an issue where this relay just gets stuck on. That's a brand new relay they just sent me, but it's a wiring issue with the Dart. It's constantly having an ignition source, which I have no idea how, but there's no real way I can fix that. I'm not really gonna worry about it. Let's see. Oh, it's this one right here, and they told me, so I checked everything, checked the bag, there's no damage on the bag, and he was like, all right, the only other place I could get to tell you is right here, bolts onto the top hat. It might not do it because there's no, like, my bad, my bad. Let me zoom in out actually. There you go. There's actually bubbling out right here. Right on the side of it was just bubbling out. So instead of 17 mil, you just get it torquing down to 14 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully that solves the issue. Got aired it up at higher PSI, so you can see the bubbling. There he goes. Don't know how I can get a good camera angle with this. Keep bubbling. So yeah, about to tighten this down and see what it does. Alright guys, here you go. Get everything back together. Well, for my Z. Just gotta take apart the the bumper to get these lights in, but I'm gonna try to do something custom with that. And now my tail lights have won out. They didn't go out, like the brake light still works, but like the running light went out, and then this door just got stuck completely now. But fenders are on. Fitment's pretty good all the way around and everything. The hood's still, cause that's the hood latch that goes inside your car. It got snatched out, but it doesn't open on the freeway, so I'm chilling. Everything else is on there. The dart's good. No more air leaks with the dart. Got my light fixed and flickering on that side, but my little bottom lights are like reversed somehow. I don't know. Whenever I'm reversed, the light's on. When I'm in drive, they're on like party mode. So I don't know. So the electrical issue with the control module for the air suspension, but everything else is good, guys. On dart, and then on my Z. Fitment's good. I do kind of want to lower it some more, but as obviously you can see, it's sitting on the tire, and I thought they're stretched. They stretch a lot actually. But yeah, so I have all the things to do. A lot of people won't show you. Like look at the glass, like faded paint. You can obviously see it in the pictures, but I don't know. Either going to be wrapping one of these. It's around $2,300 to wrap a Z. I don't have a quote yet for the dart. Well, the Z is for liquid wrap, but I have to do, you know, fill all this back in with Bondo and everything, sand it down. Well, they'll do everything too. And for vinyl wrap, quote for $1,400, and also for $1,400 for the dart too. I'm not sure what colors or anything yet. I also gotta get the side skirts. My buddy's parting out a car, have all the parts ready, but other situations happen, so I need the money for right now. So I just gotta save as much as I can, and then I'll finally rebuild the rest of these. Until then, like, subscribe, watch the rest of the videos. Got my shorts out about like all the electrical issues going on with the darts that I can record. Some of them, most of the time, happen so fast I'm unable to record them, but it gives you a lot of information, like, you know, how a dart actually performs, or like what happens. Is it right about 100,000 miles, if not a little over? My ECU went out, even though yes, I can still drive it with the ECU. It's just like a lost signal, and so the dash is out. But the last recorded mileage was 94,000 miles, but that was about 3 months ago, and I've been dailying it ever since I bagged the car. So that's that. And I have like a loose axle, driver axle. If not, it's like the joint from like the axles combining together. I feel like that could be the issue. It vibrates when it drives. Other than that, this is fine. Nothing else wrong with this at all. But yeah, subscribe, guys. Watch out for more videos coming out soon. Hopefully, I don't know, car meets, car shows, and all that I go to all the time. So I'll show you all those.